Cooking, an art that completes the incompleteness in you. Lots of things are there to speak about cooking. Better, I start with our grandmother because everyone loves grandma's cooking. If mom's cooking makes you feel with heart, then grandma's cooking makes you feel with the soul. Cooking is entirely a magic art. Sometimes it also acts like a bridge where you can convey your feelings to others wholeheartedly. This is the art that fulfills you from in and out. It's quite surprising. You fill up your stomach with a nice dish, but the feeling catches by the heart and make your mind to think about it more. Cooking is very essential. Believe me that everybody should give it a try in their lifetime. But one try will not give you the best recipe. You have to try continuously so that it leads you to create new recipes and makes you a better cook. Everyone will cook, but no one's cooking matches with others because everyone has their own unique style. Even though the ingredients are same, everyone has different taste buds. Just you have to mold the dish according to their taste. Some eats more sweet, some eats more spicy, and some wants the balanced dish. Everyone has their own opinion coming to a particular dish. The dish is like life, where we have to balance the things to taste yummy and look beautiful. There is no perfect dish that everyone will like and eat. In same way, we are not perfect that everyone should like us. Every dish has different opinions, either it is positive or negative, good or bad. Like people have different judgments and opinions on us. That doesn't mean the dish or the person is neither bad nor good. It's just an opinion of the person with his or her perspective. In the cooking dictionary, every recipe is authentic from golden era to modern era. The great revolution was happening in cooking history, from pot cooking to pot cooking, without losing its credibility. Every recipe will change its taste and beauty by the way of cooking and types of utensils that are used. Cooking is completely a package of things like passion, self-confidence, interest, and love towards it. It simply reflects the bundle of emotions. It makes us learn so many things like patience, creativity, and how to balance our effort. Cooking is neither simple nor hard to learn. It all depends on the person's passion to serve, purity in soul to make a dish, and patience to learn. It's like we are adding different types of spices and flavors to get the best aroma out of the dish. In the same way, we have to add self-confidence, self-respect, self-love, and attitude to get the best out of us. Let's paint the emotions with different colors and things to make life more beautiful than it is. This is the art where imperfect cook turns to a perfect chef. At last, what I learned is cooking is an art that completes the incompleteness in you.